In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a body weight deficit reverse lunge. We're creating a deficit because we're going to be using this step up here, so we're going to be in a higher position than we would usually be when we're doing our normal body weight reverse lunges. So first thing you're going to do, step up onto the step up or the platform that you're using. I've got my feet pointing forwards, and what I'm going to do is I've got my chest up, shoulders back, core braced, and I'm going to bring one leg directly behind my body. Now watch as I bring my right leg behind my body. I come into a position where I'm on my forefoot and toes. I'm going to be making sure that I come down with my back leg, so nice and slow, hover off the floor and back to my start position on the step up. So that is coming back with one leg, onto the forefoot and toes, both feet are facing forwards, directly down, dropping that back leg down and coming back up onto the start position, so that step up. Now if you want to make it a different variation, you don't want to do the step ups, what you could do is you could bring one leg back, you could do more of a split squat style, so you'd stay in this position, keep this position, don't step back up, and you can do your repetitions like so. If you prefer not to be stepping up and back down, that's also how to do a deficit reverse lunge, but that would be more of a split squat style. So if you don't like the first variation, try the second, and of course you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.